Power off your laser. Open the lid. Move the laser head forward. Unplug the power connection wire. Remove 6 screws to take off the motherboard case. Remove 5 screws to take off the exhaust fan. Peel off the tape. Use a tweezer to peel off the red glue on the surface. Unplug the wire. Use a screwdriver to remove 4 screws. Clean both sides of the fan. Secure with 4 screws. Spray the swab with alcohol and clean the vent hole. Secure the exhaust fan with 5 screws. Plug the fan connection wire. Secure the motherboard case with 6 screws. Plug the power connection wire. Power on the laser. Close the lid.